They say the best moments in life aren't planned for. So here are my 2025 quarter one activities that made my life a heaven. I hope you enjoy this.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Welcome to a place where elegance meets curiosity, where long necks and gentle eyes greet you up close. This is Giraffe Center in Nairobi, Kenya. That was it, guys. That was Giraffe Center for us. For my twin and I, we had a lovely time, and we would definitely come back with a group of friends. A group. What do you have to say about Giraffe Center?
The giraffes were giraffing.
We met Kelly. Kelly was my favorite one.
And the other one was called? Oh, Daisy. Daisy. We also met Daisy.
Met Daisy. We met the young one.
Salma. And Salma.
And some. Bruh. They were a wonderful giraffe. We didn't get a headbutt. We enjoyed. We are now Asante. We didn't get a headbutt. Now we are walking on our way just to enjoy the scenery and lose some weight. Mwah.